Hi and welcome back to HR Sigma Path. Have you ever looked at your CTC and thought that why do your package look so big and your take home feels so small? So let me explain it here with something super simple example as an amusement park. So think of your CTC, which is a cost to company, as the total amusement park package. So your employer buys for you. Okay. So it includes everything, the rides you enjoy, like plus hidden cost, like security, cleaning, maintenance. So you don't directly see these costs, but they are the part of your total amount the employer spends on you. So in your CTC, a portion goes into the employer PF contribution and gratuity. So just like a park spends on safety guards, ride maintenance, insurance, and the clean grounds. So your employer spends your PF and gratuity behind the scenes. So these amounts don't come to you as a cash, but they are a part of your CTC. So now the amount that actually feels like your salary, so that is called a gross salary. So this is like the rides, coupons, and fun zones inside the park that you actually get to use. So your basic salary is the entry ticket, and HRA is like your food coupons, and special allowances is like those extra ride passes to balance everything. But even inside the park you still have to pay for some things like in salary terms these are your mandatory deductions like provident fund PF. It is like a locker fee you must pay for your future security. Then there is professional tax, like a small entry tax charged by the state. And there is a TDS, that is the government's tax deducted upfront. So once there is a cut, the amount that finally reaches your bank or in your hand is your net pay. So it's your real take home salary. So, for an example, if your gross salary is 37,863 and your deductions are like 2,000 rupees, including all PF, TDS, or PT. So, your final take home is 35,863 rupees. So, this is the money you can actually use, like the cash left to buy snacks or souvenirs inside the park. So remember this simple rule here that CTC is the entire package, park package, and gross salary is the rides you actually enjoy. And the net pay is the cash left in your pocket after all the fees. So this is why CTC never equals take home salary. So if this helped you finally understand your salary breakup, make sure you follow for more practical HR and payroll tips simplified for everyone.